Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can use coupons on Temu. So first off, open your Temu application, and once you have just signed in your account, just tap on the U button right here at the bottom middle of your screen. So once you tap on that, go to coupons and offers. And from here, as you can see here on the news tab, here you can enter the coupon code and then tap on apply. You can get the coupon code from different websites or from the gift card that you have just received. So basically here, the use of coupon codes on Temu serves several purposes. First up, coupon codes offer discount on the purchases, and this can be a percentage of the total purchase, a specific dollar amount off, or discounts on specific items. And some coupon codes also offers free shipping and reducing the overall cost for the customers. So here, once you've used your coupon, you will find here on this use tab, and once it expired, then you will find here this tab. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.